Week 31. I put a lot of time into melodics this week. A lot of tough lessons. I knew it was going to be tough because it took my kid about an hour and 45 minutes to barely pass it. And so I put a little extra time in myself to finally get to pass it. So I'll show that to you now.
What the fudge? What the hell, Keller?
Yay, I passed it with a 52. All right, can move on from that. The next lesson's going to be tough too. I had to slow it down to figure out the rhythm, and usually I don't have to do that. I can just like muscle through at regular speed. But this one, it took a little bit more dexterity to move between the hi hat and the snare. So it's going to be a hard run of that. So my dad for Christmas has been getting me an Amazon gift card, and normally I get a cookbook that I really, really want, or from a chef that I like their philosophy. I want to read their philosophy more than the recipes and execute the recipes. Somebody that I think is doing exceptional work, like a Grana Schatz or a Thomas Keller, um, Willie DeFree, uh, somebody that's doing something special. But this year, I used the gift card to pick up the finger drumming Bible, and I think this will be a neat tool. I'm going to put together a kit that fits their structure, and be able to move on with some lessons between a book, my computer, and maybe the MIDI fighter when traveling, and keep my practice up and maybe learn some new stuff along the way. I talked to the author of the book on Reddit a few months back and said, "Yeah, Christmas time, I'll get it." Look, I got it. Now I got to set up the system to actually use it, and I think it'll be a ton of fun because he's using a diagonal approach to the controller, which I play with sometimes. I'll stand here and I'll turn myself sideways to it and play the controller as a diamond instead of a square. And you get some advantages in doing that in your reach, and you can get to more of the pads more easily. I I haven't picked out a favorite way that I like to play because I like to play different things different ways. Um, but there's a lot of advantages to that. So this looks like a good uh, practice playing the diamond shape book for me. So thanks, Dad. All right, so moving on. I didn't really mess with Fables all that much this week to like go through and favorite some things, but there's some really great sounds in there. Like I mean, that's just gorgeous. Um, fun things, and I will probably get around to actually making it through Fables and Lores all the way this week and have a better demonstration of what it is and maybe actually build a tune out of it. So that's week 31 in a nutshell, and hope to see you next week, week 32. There's some severe weather coming if you're on the east coast of the United States. So put away your lawn furniture because it looks like it might blow away. Talk to you later. Have a super day. Bye bye.